You're listening to Regional Health Update. I am your host, Michael Moon. Joining us today, Leigh-Anne Hughes, Master Medical Aesthetician and Laser Technician. And does that, by the way, fit on your card, Leigh-Anne?
It does, but just barely.
Yeah. What a crazy title. So, first off, what is that? What do you do exactly?
So, Master Medical Esthetician is basically just someone who has gone in for extra schooling. So I do more with the skin than just some of the cosmetic. I'm able to do microneedling and chem peels and anything with plasma within your skin. I'm able to use the plasma to regenerate your skin. I also am a phlebotomist, so I'm able to draw the blood. And
so what made you get into something like that? I mean, other than popping pimples, maybe. I'm not really sure. What drove you to do this?
Well, it's kind of a funny roundabout way of getting there. I initially was I did lash extensions in Utah. Then when I moved here, I didn't want to do it anymore, and so I just started working in different medical facilities as a receptionist. And my niece, who lives here, found out that I did lashes, and so she asked me if I would just do a set for her. So I did, and then more people wanted me to continue doing their lashes. And in Colorado, you can't do lashes unless you are an esthetician. So I decided to just go get my esthetician license.
And basically, you just took that to the next level.
Yep.
So Alpine Women's Center Med Spa, correct?
Yes.
So tell us about that and what services are available out there.
Alpine Women's Med Spa is it's in a satellite location, so we're still part of the hospital. We're part of the Alpine Women's Center, set in a different spot, so we're across from the hospital. What I am able to do at the med spa is chemical peels, microneedling, plasma pen, skin tightening. We have a laser that is the Mona Lisa, which is a pelvic health laser. It's also a CO2 laser, so we can do CO2 facials. And we do PRP here, which is platelet-rich plasma. Mm-hmm. We can do injections into the scalp to help hair loss, and we can also put it on after a microneedling. And then we also do BioT, which is a hormone pellet treatment for men and women.
It sounds hurtful. I know it's not because all the ladies rave about it, but what are patients saying about the experience?
You know, actually with a lot of the medical esthetician, it's not relaxing. Most of it's not that relaxing. It can be uncomfortable, but the benefits outweigh anybody that's uncomfortable with it. The main ones that they love are Mona Lisa treatment, so that would be the pelvic health one, and then also the plasma pen, which is a skin tightening. It helps with really tightening up the lines on your face. You can use it in any other area of your body that you might need some tightening. A lot of women have stretch marks that can help with that, and scarring and things like that. So,
what about bags under the eyes? That's something I deal with.
Yeah, so the plasma pen can actually work with under the eyes and over the eyes. It's one of the only treatments out there that can be used on the eyelids.
Wow, okay.
So, yeah.
You just piqued my interest. So I have to ask you about this question. It said physician oversight. What does that mean?
So physician oversight is actually really cool. Most med spas in Colorado have to have a physician, a medical director that's in at least 600 or 60-mile radius. Mm-hmm. But where we have one in our office, if anything were to go wrong, we'd have somebody right there to help. Also, they oversee any of the protocols. They make sure all the protocols are in place. They oversee the treatments and pretty much safeguard the patient. Okay.
More information, people can visit your website, right? MontroseHealth.com.
Yes.
And I think it's /MedSpa. I just want to make sure I get that all in there.
Yep, that's right. MontroseHealth.com /MedSpa.
And so will they be seeing you, or how many master medical estheticians do they have?
Right now, it's just me. I'm the gal. So you will meet with me. I can give you consultations. If you have any questions, you can call me. We can set up something in person. So, yeah, I'm it right now.
970-497-5891?
Nope, that's right.
All right. And Alpine Med Spa at montrosehealth.com is the website. And I understand Saturday treatments available by appointment. So
Yes.
That's nice.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Join us again next time for another regional health update. I am your host, Michael Moon. And just remember, information provided in this podcast is for informational and educational purposes only and is not meant to diagnose any condition or provide treatment advice. Please work with your healthcare providers to determine appropriate treatments for you. Thanks again. We'll talk to you next time around.